Hey, what's up? Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and yes, I'm back yet again with another brand new phone, the Oppo A95, which is Oppo's latest mid-range smartphone. Now, I'm sure you're dying to know what exactly is in the box and what's awesome about this phone, so keep watching. Starting from the unboxing, the phone comes with a minimalist looking blue colored box with a unique A in front, the phone's variant at the top left, and Oppo A95 down below. Then at the back of the box, there's some of the key specs over there, the color of the phone, and once again the RAM and the storage specs over there. Sliding the box cover, you're greeted with a box with the Oppo logo in front. Opening that up, you will find a smaller white box. Then in there's a SIM ejector tool and the typical documentations. Then you'll also find the clear phone case. Right below that, you'll find the phone itself. Underneath, you'll find a USB-A to USB-C cable and the 33-watt flash charging adapter. Now, when it comes to the Oppo A95's build quality, it comes with a typical candy bar phone design, which is available either in glowing rainbow silver or glowing starry black. Such fancy names. Now, this glowing rainbow silver over here features 7 gorgeous colors that gives you a different look under different lighting conditions. And there's a shimmering body finish on the body, which Oppo calls it the Oppo Glow, which was very similar looking to the Oppo Reno series. So if you like the look of the Oppo Reno series, you will love the finish of the phone. Now, while it gives out that subtle shimmering effect, what you'll really appreciate is the dual matte finish, so it is fingerprint resistant, and not only that, it is scratch, wear and fire resistant. So yes, not only is quite aesthetically pleasing, but it's also very tough too. Now, the rear camera arrays are on the top left and the unassuming Oppo logo is on the bottom right. Now, the black rectangular camera arrays houses 3 cameras and a flash module. Thankfully, the camera bump is thin, so it won't wobble too much if you place the phone on a flat surface when you're typing, just slightly towards the middle left of the phone, but still pretty much stable. Now, when it comes to how the phone feels in the hands, I know it sounds a bit cliche, but it is extremely premium and it feels good in the hands. Surely kind of reminds me of the Reno series once again. Now, when it comes to the dimensions, it is only at 7.9 mm thin and only weighing at 175 grams, despite coming with a large battery, so that was sweet. Then as for the phone spots and buttons, other than the USB-C port down below, there's the headphones jack, nice, and the mono firing speakers. Then on the left, you find the volume rocker, the SIM card and the SD card slot, while on the right, you'll find the power button. Now, flipping over to the front, you'll find a 6.43-inch Full HD AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, so no 90Hz refresh rate over here, so keep that in mind. However, the screen quality does look really nice and it has an impressive 90.8% screen-to-body ratio, and there is an in-display fingerprint sensor at the bottom, which unlocks quickly, which had a sort of animation, so it does seem slower, but it was pretty quick. And a 60-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera is on the top left of the display. Now, what's cool about this display is the integration of the all-day AI eye care, which features the AI smart backlighting and DC dimming. Now, this AI smart backlight intelligently adjusts the level of backlight depending on the ambient lighting conditions. Then DC dimming, on the other hand, alters the screen brightness to reduce the on-screen flickering and prevents any eye strain in different lighting conditions, whether or not it's very bright like here in the studio or even a darker environment. So overall, I have to say that the phone's screen quality would be one of the biggest pluses of the phone, even though it does not typically come with a higher refresh rate. Now, as for the phone's camera, the triple camera setup consists of a 48-megapixel f1.7 main camera, a 2-megapixel f2.4 macro camera, and a 2-megapixel f2.4 depth camera. Now, as a fan of an ultra-wide-angle lens, I was a little bummed that it was not included in there, but based on my quick test shots, the images did look great, as you guys can see. Then on the video front, the rear cameras are capable of a 1080p 30 frames per second when it comes to video recording, or 720p with EIS or steady video at 30 frames per second. And just so you all know that the phone shoots 720p slow-mo video at 120 frames per second as well. Then as for the front camera, it comes with a 16 megapixel f2.4 selfie shooter, which of course features Oppo's AI beautification and the night mode features as well. And based on some of my quick selfie shots, it looked nice with great skin tones, but the portrait selfie had decent age detection. Which I'm looking to test out the cameras further on the photos and the video front when I do my full video review. So if you want to see more sexy selfies and other video or camera features, do drop your comments at the comment section below. Then in terms of the internal specs, the Oppo A95 does not pretend to be anything other than a very good mid-range phone where it comes with a Snapdragon 662 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and that is more RAM than some of the modern day laptops. And in case you need more RAM on top of that, this phone supports up to 5GB more via the virtual RAM expansion feature. Now as for the phone's battery, the phone comes with a large 5000 mAh battery that should keep you going for more than a day, and if the battery does run low, you can quickly charge up to 33 watts flash charging. Now Oppo says is that with just 5 minutes of charging, you'll be able to make more than 5.73 hours of voice calls and enjoy up to 2 hours of YouTube, so that was sweet. Now this phone does not have wireless charging, but that is to be expected of a phone within this range. But of course, I'm looking to test out this battery further to see how much of a screen on time that I get when I use the phone every single day. Then as for the software department, the Oppo A95 runs on ColorOS version 11.1 based on Android 11. Now ColorOS has always been one of the smoothest and the better looking UIs when it comes to Android skins out there. Now this new iteration has even better multitasking capabilities and also safety features, which I'm looking to test out further. Now as of the recording of this video, there has yet to be any official pricing nor availability details on the A95 here in Malaysia, so be sure to stay tuned as I'll post this information as soon as I have that at the description and also at the pinned comment below. So guys, with this, do let me know what you think about the Oppo A95, and if you have any questions about the phone, do let me know at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll see you in my next video.